Friends, welcome. Today we're gonna make a brown derby old fashioned, which is a riff off a classic cocktail, the brown derby, and we're gonna make it completely without alcohol for dry January. Let's get into it. The ingredients you'll need: Monday whiskey alternative, chai tea, brown sugar, aromatic bitters, and grapefruit zest. Just like with all our old fashions, starting with ice. And you can make these at home. We really recommend using a big ice cube. You can use these molds. 2 ounces of our base, which is Monday whiskey.
This is a zero alcohol whiskey that is handcrafted in Southern California in small batches.
Yum. So we have 2 ounces of our Monday whiskey, and then the sweetener for it is gonna be a brown sugar and chai, right? It sounds really complicated, so easy to make. All you gotta do is 1 cup of brown sugar to 1 cup of hot chai tea and stir it until it's fully diluted. Simple syrup, crazy tasty. So we have a 1/4 ounce in there. And so we're adding 2 dashes of all the bitter aromatic bitters, our spirit-free bitters.
Just a note that a dash of bitters with alcohol is 1 dropper full of alcohol-free bitters.
Awesome. And also, again, if you are doing a dry January and you regularly consume alcohol, an Angostura bitter is a fine substitute for that. Great. Now we got everything in there. Sam, you want to give us a good stir? Stir it in glass, no mess, no hassle. Water opens it up. We get a really tasty old fashioned. Give it a little, one more. Yeah. And then to make it a brown derby, we're gonna use a grapefruit zest for this. And that's our acidity to wake up our old fashioned and make it really tasty. Yum. And if you're making a zest at home, super easy way to do it is with a cheese knife like this. And a grapefruit is so easy to make a zest. Just very, very slowly, twist it, drop it on the ground. So friends, our brown derby old fashioned, you have a lot of great chai spice and warming from the brown sugar. The grapefruit keeps it from getting not too sweet, which is always what we're too afraid of, is getting too sweet. And there's nice seasoning from the bitters too. Really pleasant play on the original cocktail brown derby.